Students, I'm going to tell you about a new extension that was pushed out to all Chromebooks that you may find helpful in your classes. The extension is Read and Write for Google Chrome and will look like a purple puzzle piece up near your other extensions. For the very first time you click on the extension, you'll be asked to allow your @caroltigers.org account. Students, if you have your own device, it will be your responsibility to download this extension to your Chrome browser if needed. You can open up this toolbar on any site with readable text, such as a Google Doc or a website. Here is an example in Google Docs. I'm going to give you a short demo of all the features that you can use. Here is my Google Doc. I click on the purple puzzle piece and my toolbar will appear. And here it is. The very first button is called Check It. It's a simple spell checker. I'm going to click on the box again, the button, to take that off. The next one is called a prediction. This will help you with writing, and it can help you predict the next word that you're going to write. Again, you want to click on it to turn it off. The dictionary, and there's a picture dictionary, is helpful so you don't have to go out to Google search or use Wikipedia. So if I need to know what this word means, you highlight the word, you can click on the dictionary, you can click the play button for it to read to you, and then here's also a picture dictionary for you as well. The next feature that I'm going to show is having the text read to you, which will be very helpful. The first thing that you'll want to do is highlight the beginning of the word, highlight the beginning. You click on the play button on your toolbar. Here's your pause and here's your stop when you're done.
Secret Code Talkers. In 1942, 29 men from the Navajo.
And I like how it highlights for you and reads to you. You can change the speech and the sound of the speech for you in your options. The next one is called Screenshot Reader. This will read JPEGs and PDFs for you. I have an example of a PDF document that maybe your teacher, a worksheet that was shared to you by your teacher. You can have it in your Google Drive here. It's a PDF. I click on my Google Read and Write. I click on the Screenshot Reader. There is another extension that needs to be added, but it is pushed out to you. Now I select what I want it to read to me. So I highlight right here. It takes a minute to process, and it will now convert it to words for it to read.
Cinco de Mayo is one of the most well-known Mexican holidays in America.
And that is using a PDF. The next one I want to show you, if you're tired of looking at your screen and you just want to listen, you can highlight the text that you want. And the next button right here is called Audio Maker. Highlight your text, click on Audio Maker. This also works for websites. It will download your text into an MP3. Then with this MP3, you can listen to your notes on your phone or on a walk and a jog. And this also works with your websites. So if you need a break from your screen, you can just listen to it. The next button over here is a simple web search. This button is called masking, screen mask. This will help you just focus on one line at a time if needed and make adjustments that meet your needs. Turning it off there. This next feature will save you time from typing and allows you just to speak words using the voice typing feature right here. Talk and type. This is an example of voice typing, period. Make sure you turn it off when you're done. Obviously, you'll need to go back and proofread and make sure you tell your punctuation marks. The translator, if you need to translate a word, here's your translate. It will only do one word at a time. You can change your language in your settings. The next button that I like are these highlighters that you can use. They would be excellent for research notes. You want to click on the details. Again, this can work in a website. It can work on a Google document. So I highlight what I want to use for research. Click, highlight, click, highlight. Maybe this is a different detail that I want to use. Highlight on here, highlight on a website, and right here is where it says collect your highlights. I want to sort by color. I say OK. It is now going to take all of my highlights, put them in its own Google Doc, and also link with a citation of where I got that information from. A very helpful tool when you are researching. To clear them, you highlight your text, and there is a clear highlights button. There is also a place where you can put voice notes. Again, it will just help you. You can put feedback in your documents. Click on the voice notes and you can record your voice and insert it anywhere if you would like to use that feature. When you're on a website, this feature can also read websites to you. Again, you click on the word to start it, you hit play.
After, based on the best available information.
So it can read to you, but there's also a feature on a website where you can simplify a page and just takes out the distraction. If there's advertisements, simplifies the text for you just to read it, if you want to use that feature. These are the features that are available for you to use. If you have any questions or issues with the app, please contact me, Kelly Schultz, and I'd be happy to help you. And thank you for your time.